Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can get to the next line inside a conversation or message you send to a team member on Slack really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. Head over to Slack, access the workspace you would like to work with. And after that, pick a chat or interlocutor here on the left-hand side inside your workspace panel on the left. For example, let me go or enter the conversation with that user or team member here for the sake of this tutorial. And what you want to do after that is pay attention to the text box here at the bottom. So guys, let's say you type in the first part of your message, let's say ABC or something like that, just for demonstration purposes. And now you'd like to jump to the next line without pressing enter and without sending the message. You may do that by simply holding left shift and then by pressing enter, just like that. As you can see, I just jumped or skipped to the next line, and you can repeat that as often as you like and type in the next part of your message and repeat that as often as you want, just like that, guys. And now you can send the message by pressing enter, and that's it. As you can see, there's a gap between these two parts of the message. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.